Tired of counting sheep to fall asleep? Try adding these superfruits to your nighttime snack for a magical slumber. First up, cherries. Not only are they delicious, but cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Next, kiwis. Studies suggest eating 2 kiwis before bed can significantly improve your sleep duration and quality. Talk about a small fruit with big benefits. Moving on to bananas. These yellow wonders are packed with potassium and magnesium, which help relax your muscles and nerves, setting the stage for a peaceful night. Then, there's tart Montmorency cherry juice. Just a glass can increase both sleep quality and duration. Imagine drinking your way to dreamland. And last but not least, almonds. Okay, not a fruit, but hear me out. Almonds contain high doses of melatonin and magnesium, making them the perfect bedtime snack. So, why not swap out those late-night chips for a fruit salad tonight? And if you loved these fruity sleep tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wholesome health hacks. Sweet dreams and healthier days await.